Welcome to Android Pro Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime in different ways. Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. We provide two reset methods. First method, hard reset via recovery mode. Second method, reset with Google Find My Device. Before reset your mobile battery must be above 50%. Remove SD cards and SIMs. Back up your Android mobile data if possible. Power off your mobile by holding the power button. Next, hold down the volume up and power button. After that, release both buttons when you see a logo. Navigate with volume buttons to select Wipe Data and Factory Reset option, and press the power button. Next, select Yes option. Finally, select Reboot System Now option. Your phone will be reset and reboot shortly. Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. Hard reset with Google Find My Device. This is the best method to reset your Android phone remotely. This method useful when you lose your phone or not able to access your mobile. This method also deletes all your Android phone data. After your device has been erased, you can't locate it. You can only use this method if you already added Gmail account to your phone and having an active internet connection. If your device is offline, erasing will begin when it next comes online. Take another phone or PC and open any browser. After that, visit Google Find My Device. We provide link in description. Check description for more information. Sign in using the Google login credentials which are used on your phone. After login, there will be three different options: Play Sound, Secure Device and Erase Device. Now click on the 2x Erase Device option. Again enter the email and password. Next, you will see Erase All Data menu. Then tap on the Erase option. Follow AndroidProTips.com to get more Android tips. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share,